everybody, welcome back to the R44 workshop. More importantly, welcome back to probably one of the most exciting videos this week, for sure. Something that's in this boot or trunk if you're from the US. So let's have a little look at what we have in here. So you can see it, we've got a full new steering wheel. We've also got this crazy JQ Werks steering wheel setup. So let's have a little look inside. It is race car time. So if you've seen the F80, sorry, it's been built out as a track car, and we've just been to the US to Beamer Invasion, and we've just met up with the guys at JQ, and they've handed over their brand new steering wheel setup. We've also got stock landing next week. So let's have a look at the boring stuff. We've got the steering wheel options. So let's have a look at what steering wheel we went for. It's not something that I've ever ran before, steering wheel wise, but it's something that I'm going to try out. So we're going to try this steering wheel. It's a full round suede finish. We'll then start trying out KMP wheels as anything else, but we'll go into some further detail because this baby takes many different wheels. So beautiful. It's what everybody uses, so we're going to go with that. We've also got some hardware there. We've got some buttons, but we won't need those because we've got this bad boy. So let's open it up. This is the Magtrace JQ racing steering wheel system. As you open the box, you've got your warranty card, so that'll be filled out when you take yours. You've got some stickers, and that will explain itself very soon. Wow, looking into this box. So how beautiful is that? We've got hardware. So we've got all the fixings, we've got all the tools provided. JQ do such an amazing job with the hardware. This bad boy is a one-use wrench to hold the steering wheel to make sure you can lock it up tight enough and hit those torque requirements. So without you trying to hold it, things like that, they made this one use only. What an amazing touch. So we'll put that over there. Let's move all of this so we can start unboxing the JQ. There she is. So I've already been in here. So here are the carbon paddles. So we get some optional carbon paddles that we can install. We then get the whole body. So let's figure out the best way to open this. Oh, I love their packaging so much. So you take that out, now you can get full access. So as we open that, this is the bad boy. So this is a full replacement steering wheel kind of system. As you can see, you've got the M1, M2, you've got the mode button, phone calls, a volume button, resume. We've got cruise control. We can set it, the magnetic paddles, and a quick release. So this section here can be utilized with any kind of, well, most common steering wheels. We'll put all the details below for the correct dimension of the steering wheel bore that you need, but it's even got a horn in there. Well, the main thing is with this system, it's a plug and play. So you'll see today in the install, especially with this component, it's as easy as just plugging in the airbag cable and this kind of data cable that works with all the buttons. There also are two other buttons on here that you can customize and you can use with the steer. These buttons here, so you can plug a little module in that we'll detail a little bit later. Here's the boss. Oh, I'm so excited. Wow, just look at that. So that literally goes on, you bolt your bolt in, you then can just whop, put that straight on, but we've got some more bits to go on. So yeah, we've got loads of stuff, but let's just get building and show you guys what's inside the box. In the car, so you've got the wheel. I built this up. I put the actual wheel itself onto the JQ frame. Mate, it is a piece of art. So fully machined, aircraft grade aluminium machine. Oh, look at the dials, they're amazing. I'm just gonna go nuts over it, but let's talk through the install. I've removed the original wheel. Super simple. Take the airbag out, two holes on the side, use your flathead screwdriver, airbag out, take the steering wheel off. Everything else stays as it is. You can delete the indicators, etc., but I'm going to keep them on because I'm going to utilize some of the additional buttons like this for my traction control. If you want to do left indicator, right indicator, you can do that, but I'm going to do some other buttons. So this is, you put this in first, that's going to go, you've got a notch on the inside, so you're going to slide that on. Ooh, let me line that up. That goes on there like that, and then you've got this part that you feed through. But a little install tip, feed this through first like that, plug them in, put this on, put your OEM bolt in, your 16mm, torque it up to spec, put a bit of Loctite maybe on it, then then come back to them, put the machine fixings in, and then you're pretty much done. Super simple install. So let's run it through quickly and let's get it on. In another video, we'll talk you through the nuts and bolts of the installation. For now, let's get it on the car and just show you how beautiful it is. It's all installed. As you've seen, it's a super easy install straight away. You just clip it in, press that start button, and you can get access. As you can see, you've got the horn, you've got the volume button, so we can't play music because otherwise YouTube won't like us, but you can see it's adjusting on there. We've got set for the cruise control, the resume, M1s, you can see M1's flashing, M2's flashing, and then put it into gear, second gear, down. So I've done literally nothing apart from install it. As you can see, comes off. Take that home with you. No one can steal your car. And then there she is. But yeah, just make sure you torque everything up, put your Loctite where required. And yeah, we'll catch you on the track day very soon.